Just another lab rat here. Today I'm going to do kind of an unboxing and a demonstration of an inflatable kayak. I have here the Intex Challenger K1 kayak. I bought it at Academy Sports for $70 and not a bad deal if it works. The reason why I decided to get a kayak was I live here in Austin most of the time, and I don't have a car. I see a lot of people out on Lady Bird Lake, or whatever you want to call it, the river, and they all have the kayaks, their stand-up paddle boards, pedal bikes, all their marine stuff. And I wanted to do my own. Now I could go rent one, I could rent a kayak, canoe or whatever, but that runs about $10–15 an hour. So after everything's said and done, after an entire day, I've already spent more than enough to buy this kayak. So I am going to, when I come back, I will be down at the river and I will show you what it looks like once you take it out of the box. Yes. Alright, took on water there.